One second, let me not try and destroy the whole thing, because yeah, let me not.
Me and Nene at the London. If you find time, we can run one. Talk about some things we can undo. You just in the pen, I can find you. 6-1 on the money, 9-2. You just say a word and I run through.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something a little different. So I was just looking at my room and my room looked kind of dull, and I really thought, you know what, I need to get me some mood lights. So know me, that's what I done and got. I bought some mood lights. I bought this off Amazon. I'll probably put the link in the description below, but yeah, I got these mood lights. So I'm going to do a review. I'm going to show you how I install it. And yeah, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press that bell to be notified for when I drop another video. And yeah, let's get going to the video, guys. So yeah, I don't know how to say this company. It's either Govee or Gove or whatever. Anyways, the packaging is really nice. Here comes user manual, key points or whatever, just some information. These are the lights. So I got 5 meters. My room ain't big, so I got this one instead. I'm just gonna do one half of the room because I don't need it on the other side because there's lots of stuff obstructing the other side, so there's no point of me putting it over there. These are the lights. That's the buttons to turn on. That's for like just a normal light, and then this one's for flashing and stuff. Some sticky stuff, alcohol pad, obviously the plug comes with a plug. Right, I'm not even sure what these are for, but I'll probably figure it out along the way. Yeah, I'm gonna show you the lights when it's in like this. So what I'm gonna do is connect this bit to the plug bit first. I'm gonna show you what the lights look like. Right, so we know that they work. So I can change the colors, and then I can make them like flash and change colors. So that is really cool. So many options.
In the field, they kind of run out of options.
Let me turn it off first. Don't get electrocuted. So I'm just gonna make you watch me do it. Alright, I'm gonna clarify with my dad. Just give me 2 secs. Alright guys, so I consulted with my dad, and it was better off to put it on here. So basically I put it here instead of down here, because as I put this up, where the light basically started, it started basically around here, and I didn't want it to be on this side behind my curtain and start there because it looked weird. So I wanted it to start like here instead, so I had to move that up, if you get me, guys. So you need to wipe the surface that you're going to put the stuff on. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's done. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't install it exactly just by myself. I needed my dad's assistance. What do you guys think? I think it looks so cool. Wait, let me show you from a different view, one sec. So guys, what do you think? Alright guys, so I'm actually recording on my camera now. I'm just hoping the battery doesn't die because I ordered a new charger and it's not coming. Basically I lost my charger, so I ordered a new one and it's taken really long to come. But I want to show you on the Gove app. Basically you can connect it to the lights. Alright guys, so I need to hold you instead. Okay guys, so I look a bit weird, but I want to show you how the lights look whilst I'm controlling it on the app, so don't mind this crazy angle. So on the app you can change the brightness, you can go darker. This is it fully dark. So let me turn off this ring light, one sec. That's it, dark. Let me just turn it back up to 100%. Let's do it to music. So I'm gonna play music and you'll see like it'll start changing colors to the beat. Alexa, play music from my Spotify.
Playing your library from Spotify.
Do you see how it changes to the sound? So I can literally choose any color on here. Yeah, I can change the color. There's a color wheel, or you can choose like the normal set colors here. I'm really feeling the purple. I'm really feeling it. Look at the green as well. I really like green. But yeah guys, tell me what you guys think. So I bought 5 meters. My room is actually quite small, so I only needed one, but I only wanted it on one side of the, well, half of the wall anyways, so it's fine. Perfect size. So I switched back to my iPhone because I'm scared that whilst I'm recording, the other one's gonna die before I get my charger. So for this review, I really recommend this. It's perfect. That is what I needed in my room. Like my room, I got it done and everything, but just missing something, and this is that something. So guys, I will put the link to where I got this in the description below. Make sure you leave this video a like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on my socials. It'll be at the end of this video and in the description below. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys in the next video.